In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a Shopify theme name. This is really useful if you've come across a Shopify store that you like and you want to know exactly which theme they're using, either for inspiration or because you might want to use the same one on your own store. First, open the Shopify store in your web browser. This can be any live store that's built on Shopify. Once the page has fully loaded, move your mouse to any blank area on the page, then right-click. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says View Page Source and click on that. When you do this, your browser will open a new tab filled with code. This might look intimidating, but don't worry. You don't need to understand the code itself. We're just going to search within it for a specific piece of information. To make that search easier, use your browser's find function. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, press Command and F. You should see a small search box appear, usually at the top right or top center of your browser window. In that search box, type the words shopify.theme as one continuous term. Be sure to spell it correctly, with a dot between Shopify and theme and no spaces. As you type, your browser will start highlighting all matching results in the page source. Now, use the arrows next to the search box to move through the different results. In one of these results, you'll find a section that includes the word name, followed by a value. That value is the theme name you're looking for. It might appear as something like name, then a colon or an equal sign, and then the theme's name in quotes. Take a moment to read it carefully, because the theme name might include additional descriptors, like version or a custom label. The important part is the main theme title, which tells you what theme the store is using. If you don't immediately see it, slowly go through each Shopify theme result until you find the one that clearly shows name alongside a readable theme name. Once you've located it, you can note it down, look it up in the Shopify theme store, or use it as a starting point to find similar themes. And that's all you need to do. By viewing the page source and searching for Shopify.theme, you can quickly and reliably check the Shopify theme name used by almost any store.